party people? It's Jennifer Woolsey here, your friendly Avon representative, neighbor Avon representative, online Avon representative, and welcome to Get Ready With Me. We're going to do a quick makeup tutorial because we have homeschool to get done, and I've not been as organized as I needed to be, so I wanted to talk with you guys today about some ideas to organize even during the quarantine, isolation. I know some people are getting to go back to work, which is super exciting. We are going to probably stay on the down low for a couple more weeks just to protect our boys and their immune system. So I'm still working on this. So maybe these are some things that can help you and help me. So I've already done my morning skincare regimen. I am full in with my vitamin C serum to help with brightening my skin and with fine lines and deep lines that I have, like up there. My Belif Aqua Bomb, which is a moisture bomb, has a primer in it. It helps blur your pores and moisturize your skin. It feels amazing. Oh, and the Belif line, we have a new cleanser, jelly cleanser coming out. I've been using it. It's so awesome. It will be here soon, so you're not going to want to miss that. And then also my Depuffing eye serum, did that under the eyes, and my green Godess facial oil to help take down redness, work on like scars and stuff that I have on my skin, and that facial oil feels amazing on your skin. So that's the whole skincare regimen. So let's get into the makeup, and then I'll let you meet my special guest. Come here. Come here. Can you say, hi, people? Yeah. Are you ready to get homeschool started? No, you don't want to homeschool, but you're going to do so good at it. Come here, Lukey. Come here. Can you say hi? Yeah. Are you ready to do homeschool? Are you ready to do homeschool? Yes, ma'am? Can you say yes, ma'am? No, you're just smiling at yourself. All right, I'll be in there in just a second. Okay, so let's do this. We're going to use our Magix tint in the shade Light this morning and put it on our hand. This can be used like a lotion that you take with your fingers and just apply on your face. I tend to prefer to use a beauty blender just because I think it goes on definitely more smoothly and more evenly. I just got it in my hair. It's okay. Boy, those lights are shining today. I did not use a primer, and that's okay because this is a really quick tutorial. So what are some things that you are doing to organize your home during this quarantine? So one of the things that I've tried to do is do like a menu for my family. So I know like what we're going to have for each meal. So when I go do my grocery shopping, I've got what I need for each meal. And I try to make enough that we have leftovers for the next day so that I'm not having to cook like 52 meals. Some of our favorites are like creamy chicken tacos. Super easy. You put your chicken breast and your cream cheese in the crock pot, some Rotel tomatoes, and cook it, and then when it's done it'll kind of shred, and then you've got chicken tacos. My boys love it. And then with the leftover mixture, I put it in a rolled up some tortillas and put it in a casserole dish, and then I made enchiladas out of it. So that was an easy little planner thing. Cashmere Complexion in shade Tart. I'm going to use this concealer. So what are some other things? So if you're making a menu, do it so that you have enough food to do 2 meals. That definitely helps. I actually cleaned out my closet this weekend. Good morning, Cindy. I'm talking about ways to organize your life during these crazy times. So what are some things that you're doing? I know Cindy sells Tupperware. And y'all should put your page on here, Cindy, so people can go check your page out. And she's got some awesome tips on organizing. I've been watching her. So I cleaned my closet out this weekend and switched over my winter to summer clothes. And I went through and got rid of like a bag of clothes. Just stuff that I never wear. And it just takes up space in your closet. So why keep it? If it doesn't bring you joy, Isn't that, what's that lady's name? Marie Kondo. If it doesn't bring you joy, then get rid of it. So I organized my junk drawer this weekend, and I organized my closet, and it makes me feel happy to have some kind of control. I feel like if we've learned anything during all this, it's that we don't have control. Magix Dust, it is now live on Jennifer Woolsey, youravon.com/Jennifer Woolsey. I'll drop that here in the comments. You need this. This powder is everything. It's a light dust. I use it as a setting. You can use it for baking. Okay, so organize my closet, organize my junk drawers. I went through at the first of quarantine and organized my makeup. Things that you need to clean out, like skincare, is only good for like 6 to 9 months. Your makeup, I've got a chart here on the business page that tells like when you need to throw your foundation out, when you need to throw your eyeshadow out. Eyeshadow is really important because it can carry a lot of bacteria in it. So you want to be super careful with your eyeshadows and not keeping them too long. And mascaras too. 6 months tops on mascara. I'm going to use my blush. Do a little here and a little there. So this Magix tint is really a tinted moisturizer, but you can tell that it still gives a pretty good coverage. I'm loving it. Okay, so I've got a little silver on my shirt. So I'm going to use our Glimmershadow in silver. No, I'm not going to the disco dancing. I am just going to be at home homeschooling my kids. But I'm going to try something to just lighten up my life. So I'm going to put it on my hand. You can see. And then I've got a little eyeshadow brush. Good morning, Deborah. So I've got a little eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to pick some of it up. And I'm just going to pat it on my eyes. I mean, for real, who do I have to impress other than my boys? And maybe I'll bring some light to their life with my silver shadow. The cool thing is, if you have kids like on dance teams or cheerleading teams, this Glimmershadow is everything. They need it. So I'm just patting it gently on there. It would be a great accent after they've done like their eye makeup for dance or for cheerleading. Then you could take this and just pat it in. Okay, so organizing your menu, organizing your closet. Isn't there something awesome just about feeling accomplished? I don't know, after I got through cleaning up my closet, I just stood there and looked in my closet and I was like, it just was this feeling of success. Okay, we also cleaned out our vehicles. See, and it's not too, I'm going to go up just a little bit higher on my crease bone over here. It's not too overpowering. It actually looks kind of pretty. What do y'all think? Would you Glimmershadow your eyes? I think it's okay. I think we can rock this. Okay, so just going to wipe that off of my hand. Forgot to do my brows. So we'll go in with our new Tattoo Station brow pencil. I'm using shade Black Brown. If you're curious about shades, this will launch next campaign. So I'm excited to show you guys the new stuff. I'm just going to take brush-like strokes, kind of like you're painting. And I'm just going to fill in those brows. So some other things that you can do if you're homeschooling, something I did this week or 2 weeks ago was I kind of organized our homeschool area so that I had like Caden's stuff in there and Lucas's stuff, and it was easy to find and easy to get to. And I just think there's something to be said about knowing where your stuff is and what you have to do to get it. Okay, so this Tattoo Station, I have to show you guys. I'm going to put it on my hand and let it dry for just a second. This stuff does not budge. And like I said, it will launch next campaign. What are you thinking about that Glimmershadow? We are glimmering. Okay, today I'm going to use my On Point black eyeliner to line my eyes. And okay, so menu, closet, junk drawer, cars. Clean and organize your cars. I think I need to sharpen this. It's a self-sharpener, which is really cool. All right. Your skincare, your makeup, definitely organizing that stuff and going through. Go through your drawers in your bathroom. We probably all have tons of stuff in our bathroom drawers that we haven't gone through in years. And that's stuff that you need to go through and clean out and make sure that you are not using like expired stuff. A lot of the chemicals in products can go bad, especially if you have a lot of vegan and paraffin-free stuff, which is good for you. They don't have the chemicals in them to preserve them for long periods of time. So you definitely want to make sure you're checking out those products and the timeline of how long you've had it and when you need to clean it out. Okay, we are going to curl these lashes. Okay, and then Love Mascara for the win. It's going to set off the lashes and help seal them up. Give them some bounce, some volume, and all kinds of love. Yay! I posted a post here on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz. We have gloves and house cleaner now that has launched with Avon. And next campaign we'll have mask. So if you guys need some of that stuff for your house, definitely check it out. It's good, toxin-free, vegan products, good for your home. Help clean the bacteria away. So check that out. Okay, I have to give a shout out to my Avon team. I'm the leader of about 450 Avon representatives. We're in 28 states now, and our team hit one of the biggest goals we've ever had. So I'm so excited this morning. I'm like on adrenaline rush. So I've organized my work time too, and definitely organized my schedule. I'm going to use Ambitious this morning since I went kind of bold on those eyes. We'll do a subtle lip. A subtle lip to go with it. So if you are like, I'm at home, I don't have any extra money, this is the time to start your Avon business because we are rocking and rolling. Things are selling, moving. People need self-care. They need skincare, and it's free. It's absolutely free to join Avon. So you can message me for more details or go to youravon.com/jwoolsey and check it out because it's the time to hop on board. Do this. We're working on kitchen cabinets. That's my next thing is kitchen cabinets. I dried my hair this morning with my new Chi hair dryer. Cindy, what do you think about your new Advanced Ionic? Check this out. It has this blue light that tells you when your hair is dry. It is awesome. And it brings shine and bounce back to my hair like I have not had in forever. And then I'm going to go in here in just a minute with my Chi curl and spin and curl this hair because I'm going to impress my boys for homeschool. I don't have anything else to do. So I have to show you this little nifty thing I bought. I got this on Amazon. It holds your, like all your hair tools. So it'll hold this, it'll hold this. Check it out. And it hangs on my towel rack. And it even has a little place back here that you can put your cords. Super cool. So that made me feel like I really accomplished something when I organized my hair tools off of my shelf. Oh, I have to show you this. So I put this on my hand. Watch. This is our new tattoo. I rubbed it a little bit, but this top part did not move. Check it out. So if you are needing a brow liner, message me for a color match or on our foundations. Okay, so I'm just going to pull a piece of hair. I'm going to push this button to spin it away from my face. I'm in love with this thing. Absolutely amazing. I didn't have the flat iron after. That is cool, isn't it? Yeah, with the blow dryer, it almost has technology in it that automatically straightens your hair. So you're not having to go after with the straightening iron to like calm down the frizz. I found that same thing, Cindy. I was impressed. Look at that curl. What about your spin and curl? Are you guys loving it? Are you using it? Okay, so here we go. If it starts to get tangled up, it automatically shuts off, which is one of my favorite things about this spin and curl. It makes me love it even more. And then it's gonna beep at me and tell me it's all done. Just release. And I have it set at 17 seconds. You can start at 15 and you can go to 19. Curls. It just makes the world feel better, like a happier place, right? Let's do this side real quick. This may be too big of a piece. Oh, nope, it took it. This works amazingly on long hair, but I'm impressed that it even works on short hair. Since I'm stuck in the house, I needed something to entertain myself. So randomly, I'll come in here and curl my hair just to give myself something fun to do. Okay, so I'm going to quit babbling on. Just wanted to encourage you guys today to take some time and organize your life. Organize your schedule, organize your menu, organize your cabinets, organize your closet. You will find so much joy just having a few things organized for your family and for yourself. Maybe it'll take some stress off. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thanks for joining. Please share this video. Other people may want to check it out and may get some makeup tips from it. So I hope you all have a fantastic day. Mia staked claim. I haven't gone to try it. Oh, tell her, take a picture, Cindy, and send it to me. I'd love to see a picture of her using it. I love you guys. Have a great week. We'll talk to you later. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.